Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by importing your file and setting the project rate to match the source so audio stays in sync. Use the selection tool to highlight the first segment you want removed or kept. This is faster than trimming blind. Once marked, press Delete or Trim to isolate the core material. Make shortcuts, work in passes, so you avoid over-editing. Make sure to name the track and save a project copy now. This preserves your original while you proceed. Once you have the rough structure, focus on cleaning and leveling. Select a silent section to capture a noise profile and apply noise reduction to remove hiss without wiping dynamics. Then use Normalize or Amplify to align peaks. This prevents clipping and helps consistent perceived loudness. Switch to spectrogram for problem clicks and use Repair or the envelope tool to smooth abrupt changes. Make incremental adjustments and preview often. Small changes compound, so listen between steps to validate each fix. You finish by applying subtle fades and a final listen through headphones to catch phase issues or sibilance. Export as WAV for mastering or MP3 at an appropriate bitrate for delivery. Include metadata so files are identifiable. Once done, save the project archive with all takes. If you encounter distortion on export, undo the last processing, check for clipping in the waveform, and reduce gain by 3 to 6 decibels before re-exporting. That simple rollback usually fixes the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.